There are so many. If I need to pick one, I would say the customization aspect. In particular, because there are a lot of users, or our current user, that they put Thunderbird on a pedestal for how customizable it is, but it's actually not. Like, I disagree with them. Thunderbird is not flexible. It's not customized. It's customizable in a matter that you can hide a panel, change some buttons in the toolbars, and change the theming. If I want my reading list, like my message pane, to be like a vertical layout with only 3 lines of preview text or 0 lines of preview text. I want my calendar to have not block colors, but small, tiny dot colors, and don't show the notification icons because I don't care. I know that all my events have reminders. I don't care to know which one is a recurrent or not. I can see it. What if I want to collapse my Saturday and Sunday to smaller chunks instead of hiding them entirely? What if, like, all these type of like extreme customization, or even like the message header that it's already present in 102? What if I want to see the subject line bigger and I don't need to see the labels from to? I know that the top one is from and the middle one is to. It's always like that. It's been like that for 20 years. I don't need to see those labels. Let's hide them. That's a customization that is a tiny little thing, but it can improve a lot the experience to feel Thunderbird more personal and more suited for what you expect. So we needed to rebuild it from scratch and make it look and behave exactly like the old one. But now that we rebuilt it, now we can customize it much more, and we can offer the user much more flexibility to shape it the way they want.